Hi, welcome to BONITA'S Kitchen and thank you for joining us. This is just a quick pop in here for us today because again we had said earlier in the week that we will come back and wish everybody a Happy New Year. But with that said, we are also going to share a little recipe. If you want to prep and get it ready for tonight for New Year's Eve, it's for a cranberry cheese ball. So let's get over to my countertop and get that whipped up. So first off, I'm going to show you these few ingredients. I have a block of cream cheese and it's a 250-gram pack. A half a cup of shredded cheese, a quarter cup of crushed walnuts, quarter cup of sliced almonds, quarter cup of dried cranberries, a pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and a pinch is anywhere from a quarter teaspoonful and less. This here is a tablespoonful of green onion chopped up, and over here in this trusty bowl is 2 tablespoonfuls of sour cream and 2 tablespoonfuls of mayo. So now let's get whipping that together. So I'm going to toss in the sour cream and the mayo. You can use Miracle Whip as well into this recipe. And put in the cream cheese, toss it in there, and I'm going to toss in there the seasonings and mix that together first.
Okay, Bonita, so your little mixer, is this done good enough for now? Or?
I think that's pretty good, Raymond. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
You're a nice little helper. Raymond, thank you for your help. We always can do with extra help. And we always say that you're going to help. And of course, you know what you're doing? Yeah. Busy behind that camera, telling us all these stories. Pop in your green onion, your dried cranberries, walnuts, and the half a cup of cheese.
So do you need the little mixer again? Or?
Oh, I'm good right now.
Okay.
After you get all that roughly mixed in together, get yourself a piece of clear wrap and toss some of this sliced almonds there on the bottom. Put the cream cheese mixture for your cheese ball in the middle of it. And now I'm going to show you what else to do. So get yourself a little spatula and flatten it around a little tiny bit. Pour the rest of that sliced almonds there and then form this into a ball. And all you need to do then is roll your hand around all of that saran or the clear wrap. Twist it, form out a ball, because you're going to have your cranberry cheese ball. Put it in your fridge, let it chill until you're ready to use it, and then I'm going to show you what to serve it with. So after you let it chill for a little, take it out of the saran. The longer it's in the fridge, the more set it'll be, but if you're like us and you can't wait, just leave it for 15-20 minutes. Put it into a dish.
And you got to admit, see, Bonnie, that we always like to have a sample.
Oh,
just before the company show up.
Well, absolutely. So we are going to take some of this delicious, look, the cranberries and all of that deliciousness there. This is what we're going to be serving this evening. Raymond, I'm going to pass this one to you. Oh. Just look, oh my gosh. And I'd love to pass it to our viewers as well. But this is it. This is a quick cranberry cheese ball. And I hope you folks get to make this one today. Yum. So now this is it. As I will always say, as good as it gets. I'm going to have a little taste of this one now, but before I do, we just wanted to have a quick pop in, show you this cranberry cheese ball we're making today for a few guests, and we are going to enjoy it, sharing it with you, of course. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I can eat this all day, you guys.
I know, definitely a 2 thumbs up, isn't it?
Absolutely. You're on your second one, so don't be talking. We are so excited that you dropped in here today. So there's a quick video of this cranberry cheese ball, and if you can't make it today, make it whenever you got those ingredients. And surely you can substitute any of those ingredients in there to meet your dietary needs. So it won't take any more of your time. We like to take this opportunity
to wish everyone a happy, prosperous, and healthy new year.
And on behalf of myself
and me, of course,
and our beautiful team, we can't thank you enough for stopping by. And from our kitchen to yours, again, Happy New Year and be safe.
Toodaloo.
To yours.